Hi friends, this video shows how to install app in this Google TV. So first go to apps, select this apps section, then go down and select search for apps and games. Select it. Then here we need to type name of the app which we want to install. So I am going to install Disney Plus Hotstar app. So let me type Hotstar here. Then select search. Now it's searching for the app. So please wait. Okay, you can see it just detected that Hotstar app. Then select install. So now it's downloading the app. So please wait. Now it's installing the app. Okay, installation completed. Let me open it. So this way we can install any app. Just search and install it. Okay, it's loading Disney Plus Hotstar app. So let me go back to the main screen, home screen. In the home screen, if you go to app section, under app section go to your apps. So here we can see the app which we installed, Disney Plus Hotstar. If we go to for use section, here also under this if we go to that your apps section, here we can see the app Disney Plus Hotstar. Okay, so this way we can install any app. So please check it.